let me show you how to save your voice messages on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so you might need to save a WhatsApp message for whatever reason. In my case, I actually use WhatsApp to communicate with our clients, our employees, and sometimes, there's a voice message that's important that needs to be saved. So let me show you how to do that. I am on my iPhone right now, so this tutorial is going to work best for that. But if you have an Android, things will probably be moved around. So just try and look for similar things. All right, so I'm going to go into my WhatsApp right now, and you want to get to the conversation that has the voice note that you want to save. All right, so it's going to be this voice note right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down on it. All right, so from here, you want to click the forward button, and then on the bottom right, instead of actually forwarding it to another WhatsApp person or chat, click this bottom right button, which is kind of like an upload type looking button. And then from here, if I scroll down, you'll see save to files. So this is going to save to my files folder on my phone. So I'm going to click save to files. And then down here at the bottom, it's going to ask you if you want to rename it or just leave it as their standard. But I would change it because you might not remember what audio-2023-10-28, like you're not going to remember who that's from or what voice note that is. So I'll just go message from Jewel. Let's pretend like it's from me. Click done. So that right there just saved it. And then when I go to my files folder on my cell phone, you can see right there in the top left-hand corner, message from Jewel. And if I click on it, you can see it's an audio voice note, and that exact one was saved. So that is how you easily save a voice note from WhatsApp to your phone. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over 5 figures a month creating simple tutorials like this, head down to the description below as we have a free training outlining how we do this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.